Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our earwax removal video today. What you can see here is quite a hard plate of wax sitting in this gentleman's ear. You can see a lot of sort of the hairs embedded into it, so it's not going to come out easily. And with the consistency of this wax, it's going to be very difficult to remove with suction. You can see that this outer section of wax here is very soft and sticky in nature, so if you put a suction tube into that, it's just going to block the end of the suction. You're not going to get a great deal of suction adhesion in there. It's just going to keep blocking every time. So what we've opted to use is a Jobson Horne, which you can see us using here. So we're just going into the wax. You can see it's got this very smooth, as you take it away, very smooth consistency. So it's coming away quite nicely so far. Still can't see the eardrum just yet, so we're just still chipping away at this wax. Just trying to get over the top of it if we can, to get that slight bend on the Jobson Horne behind it so we can remove it. Just scraped on the outer edge of it there. We didn't get very far behind it, so just going to go in, up and over the top. You can just see this section is much harder, much tougher wax. It all looks like it's coming away in one big chunk, so we just got a grip on the outer edge to bring it forwards. We're going to go over the top of it again just to try and roll it out of the ear canal if we can. I've got behind it now. There we are. You can just see it starting to come out. This section of wax was really hard, it was really tough. I couldn't actually get the Jobson Horne into it to lift it up, so we had to use the suction end to pick it up. And there you can see it is there. So very old hard wax there. When we go in to take a look now, we've got a lovely shiny eardrum. All looks nice and healthy in there, no wax left, so it's all looking very good. You can see these much harder, darker pieces of wax there, so it's indicative of it being in there for a little while. If you like our videos, then please share, like, subscribe and comment below. All the best and take care everybody.